Safety data sheets provide detailed information that can help you to stay safe when hazardous chemicals spill.
T-minus 2 minutes.
OSHA's Hazard Communication Standard requires employers to evaluate and maintain safety data sheets for each hazardous chemical that's used or stored in their workplace. Employers must also make safety data sheets available to all employees at all times. Safety data sheets serve as a valuable tool for anyone responding to a hazardous materials spill. Safety data sheets may be stored in binders or electronically, but no matter how they're stored, they should be easy for everyone to access, and you should know where to find them. Safety data sheets contain a lot of information. Some are as short as 1 page, while others can be 14 or even 30 pages long. When there's a spill, there's not always time to read the entire thing, but you can find exactly what you need to know by remembering 6, 7, 8, 9. Section 6 of every safety data sheet provides you with spill response information. It will tell you if there are special precautions that you need to take, such as removing ignition sources or what types of PPE you need to wear. It'll also list evacuation instructions, methods for containing spills, and cleanup procedures. Section 7 gives you information about storage and handling, including precautions for incompatible chemicals that may be stored near a spill. Section 8 provides exposure controls and additional information that the safety officer may use to help select PPE, such as permissible exposure limits and threshold limit values that help determine the type of respirator that might be appropriate. This section may also list engineering controls like using ventilation or sealing off unexposed areas. Section 9 tells you about the physical and chemical properties of the product. Things like color, odor, pH, flashpoints, and vapor pressure can help responders determine what an unknown spill may be and what precautions they need to take before approaching it. Check out our other 2-minute drills for more ways to help identify hazards and keep you and your team safe during spill response.